Hello everyone, and welcome back to Home Remedy Rescue, where we share the latest information on natural remedies, health tips, and healthy living. We appreciate your viewership, and we hope you find value and enjoyment in this video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our newest videos. Today, we have a unique topic to explore: how to use aromatic herbs in satchels, pillows, aromatherapy sprays and diffusers, linen sprays, and aromatherapy-infused pillowcases to help you sleep better. Yes, you heard it right. Sleep better naturally. Lack of enough sleep or good, restful sleep can have a long list of negative health effects. In this video, we will discuss the different unique characteristics of different aromatic herbs to use for a good night's sleep and how to best use them. Be sure to watch our discussion on the use of aromatherapy diffusers for a great night's sleep. You won't want to miss out. Before we delve into these methods of using aromatherapy for getting good sleep, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Now, let's get started. Aromatherapy has been around for centuries. It's the use of essential oils from plants to improve physical and mental well-being. And when it comes to sleep, the soothing scents of certain herbs can indeed work wonders. In fact, scientific studies have shown that aromatherapy can help reduce sleep disturbances and improve overall sleep quality. So, what are the best herbs for sleep? We're going to share our top 10 with you. Each of these plants has its own unique charm, and they're all celebrated for their potential to soothe, calm, and lull you into a peaceful state of rest, relax your body, and send you off to dreamland. Please remember, though, that everybody is different, and these herbs may not have the same effect on everyone. Also, a lot of what we know comes from tradition and early research, so it's always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before trying something new. Here are the unique qualities of each. Lavender. Our first star is the ever-popular lavender, a real fan favorite when it comes to calming the mind and body. Its delightful, dreamy fragrance has been studied for its potential to ease anxiety and improve sleep quality. Just a few whiffs of this beautiful purple plant might be enough to make your troubles feel a little bit lighter, letting you drift off into a peaceful sleep. Chamomile. Next up, we have the humble chamomile. Not only does this little wonder make a lovely, calming tea, it's also renowned in aromatherapy circles for its gentle, soothing scent. Studies suggest that chamomile might help reduce anxiety and promote better sleep. A cup of chamomile tea in the evening could be just the thing for a relaxing nightcap. Valerian. Valerian is a bit of an old-timer, having been used since ancient times to encourage relaxation and sleep. Its roots are often used in herbal remedies, and some research suggests that it can help reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and improve sleep quality. It's like a bedtime story that gently lulls you to dreamland. Lemon balm. Lemon balm, with its wonderful citrusy scent, isn't just a delight to the senses, it's also been noted for its potential to reduce anxiety and promote calm. Some people find it helpful in getting a good night's rest. Imagine it like a soothing lullaby, whispering calm and tranquility into your senses. Passion flower. Let us discuss the exotic passion flower. This intriguing plant has been studied for its potential to reduce anxiety and improve sleep. Some people say it helps quiet the chatter in your mind, helping to prepare you for a peaceful night's rest. Lang Lang. Next up is the lovely Lang Lang, an exotic bloomer from the Kanananga odorata tree, native to the Philippines and Indonesia. Its sweet and floral perfume is like a gentle whisper that can help soothe stress and anxiety. Research suggests that it may even help lower blood pressure and heart rate. Think of it as a calming lullaby, serenading you into a peaceful night's sleep. Marjoram. Next, we have the comforting marjoram, a member of the mint family. Its warm, woody scent is like a comforting hug that can promote relaxation and sleep. Some studies suggest it has sedative properties, helping you unwind and slip into dreamland without a worry in the world. Jasmine. Meet jasmine, with flowers as fragrant as they are beautiful. The scent of jasmine is like a tranquil breeze, often used in aromatherapy for its calming effects. Preliminary research suggests it might improve sleep quality and reduce restless sleep or insomnia. So, it might just be the perfect companion for a serene night's sleep. Bergamot, a unique type of citrus fruit, lends us an uplifting, citrusy aroma that's often used in aromatherapy. It's like a breath of fresh air for your mind, helping to alleviate mood and reduce anxiety. It can help sweep away the day's worries and prepare your mind for a peaceful sleep. Clary Sage. Last but not least, we come to Clary Sage with an earthy scent that's a favorite in aromatherapy. Studies suggest that Clary Sage oil might help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Picture it as a gentle melody, easing tension and coaxing your body towards relaxation and sleep. Most commonly, these herbs are used as essential oils for aromatherapy or as infusions for teas. They each have their own special song that might help calm the mind and body, potentially reducing anxiety and encouraging a peaceful night's sleep. So how does one go about using these amazing scents and herbs? Here are some direct and easy ways to put them to good use and help you unwind, relax, and drift into a world of wonderfully fragrant dreams. Aromatherapy sprays. Think of these as your personal relaxation mist. They typically contain essential oils such as lavender, chamomile, or bergamot, known for their calming properties. Here's how to use one. Shake it gently, close your eyes, and spray it in the air around you. As you breathe in the calming scents, picture the day's stress evaporating away. You can also use it in your bedroom before going to sleep to create a tranquil environment. Remember, a little goes a long way. Look for sprays that use pure essential oils and avoid those with lots of artificial additives. Linen sprays. These are similar to aromatherapy sprays, but are specifically designed for use on fabrics. Spritz a bit on your sheets and pillowcases just before bed. The gentle fragrance can transform your bed into a restful oasis. Just make sure to let the spray dry before you hop into bed. It's like adding a touch of a spa atmosphere right in your bedroom. Infused pillowcases. Infused pillowcases are a wonderful way to surround yourself with calming scents as you sleep. They are often treated with essential oils or other fragrances like lavender, known to promote relaxation. Simply slip one onto your pillow as you would a regular pillowcase and let the calming scent do the rest. Each time you move during the night, a fresh wave of aroma will be released. Sweet dreams indeed. Aromatherapy pillows. These are specialty pillows often filled with herbs like lavender, chamomile, or other calming blends. As you rest your head on the pillow, the gentle pressure releases the calming scents, creating a soothing atmosphere to help you drift off to sleep. It's like a lullaby for your senses, singing you softly to sleep. These are pillows specifically designed to hold a satchel of herbs or a few drops of essential oils. You can find these in specialty stores or online. Make sure to choose a pillow that suits your sleeping style for the most comfort. You can also use a sachet or small mesh bag and fill it with your own choice of fragrant herbs. For example, you can make a DIY lavender sachet that you can fill with dried lavender flowers and place this inside your pillowcase. The scent will diffuse naturally. Before we delve into our discussion on using aromatherapy diffuser for getting a good night's sleep, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Aromatherapy diffusers. You can use an aromatherapy diffuser to foster relaxation and promote peaceful, rejuvenating sleep. Just follow these steps and you'll be on your way to sweet dreams in no time. Step 1. Choose your aromatherapy diffuser. These come in all shapes and sizes, from the simply functional to the delightfully decorative, so you're sure to find one that suits your style and your budget. Remember, the goal is to create a calming atmosphere that will promote sleep, so choose a diffuser that adds to your sense of tranquility and peace. Step 2. Select your essential oils. This is where the fun really begins. Different essential oils have different therapeutic qualities, so you can tailor your aromatherapy experience to your specific needs. For sleep and relaxation, the most popular essential oils are lavender, chamomile, ylang-ylang, and bergamot. These scents have calming properties that can help reduce anxiety and encourage sleep, but feel free to experiment with different oils until you find the combination that works best for you. Step 3. Fill your diffuser. Now it's time to get your diffuser ready. Generally, you'll need to fill the diffuser tank with water up to the fill line. Be sure to use clean, room temperature water for best results. Step 4. Add your essential oils. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Time to add your chosen essential oils. As a general rule of thumb, you'll want to add 3 to 5 drops of essential oil per 100 milliliter of water, but this can vary depending on the oil and your personal preference. Start with a few drops and adjust as needed. Remember, these oils are potent. A little goes a long way. Step 5. Turn on your diffuser. All set? Great! Now it's time to turn on your diffuser and let the aromatherapy begin. Most diffusers have a variety of settings, allowing you to control how long the diffuser runs and how much mist it produces. To encourage sleep, you might want to set your diffuser to run for an hour or 2 as you're winding down for bed. And voila! You've set the stage for a great night's sleep. Now all you have to do is dim the lights, snuggle into your comfy bed, and let the soothing scents whisk you away to the land of dreams. Remember, creating a calming sleep environment doesn't happen overnight. It's a process, and your body will need some time to adjust. So keep experimenting with different oils, diffuser settings, and sleep routines until you find what works best for you. Remember, everyone is different, and what works for some might not work for others, but don't be discouraged. Exploring these options should be a relaxing journey, not a stressful chore. Take your time, try different things, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Here's to many nights of restful sleep ahead. Here are other things to consider regarding the use of herbs and aromatherapy for a good night's sleep. How often should I replace the herbs in my satchel/pillow? Ideally, you should replace the herbs every 3 to 4 weeks for best results. However, if the scent starts to fade before then, feel free to switch them out sooner. Are there any side effects to using aromatherapy for sleep? Generally, aromatherapy is safe for most people. However, some may have allergic reactions to certain herbs or essential oils. If you're new to aromatherapy, it's always a good idea to patch test a small amount of an essential oil on your skin before using it widely. Can I use more than one herb in my satchel/pillow? Absolutely. Combining herbs can create a unique blend of scents that may enhance your relaxation even more. Just make sure the herbs you're combining have similar benefits and that you enjoy the combined scent. How do I clean an aromatherapy pillow? Most aromatherapy pillows come with a removable cover that can be machine washed. As for the pillow itself, spot cleaning is generally recommended. Remember to remove any satchel or herbs inside before cleaning. Can children use aromatherapy pillows? Yes, but with caution. Some essential oils may be too potent for children. Always consult with a pediatrician before introducing aromatherapy to children. And remember, these satchels should always be kept out of their reach to avoid any choking hazard. Aromatherapy can be a wonderful, natural aid for sleep, whether you use sprays, satchels, or pillows. Remember, the most important thing is to find the scent that works best for you. So don't be afraid to experiment. Click subscribe and the notification bell to get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. We'd love to hear about your experiences with aromatherapy for sleep. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Be well and take care.